What's going on, guys? In today's video I'm going to show you how to collect all the balls, the coins, and basically just do the challenges, the hang time challenges in 1 minute or less. So you just want to select an island in your creative, any island. Just make sure it's not like your 1v1 island or anything, just like a random island. Now I already did the basketballs, but I'm just going to show you how to spam the coins, the shoes, and the basketballs, just like I have over here. So you want to go into the gallery thing, go to the devices, and then choose the coin, which is right here, the challenge gallery. Now you just want to throw it down anywhere, it doesn't really matter. And as you can see, we have the shoes, the coins, and the basketball, but you just need to copy them and then start the creative. So here's the basketball, I already have that. Let's copy the shoes first. So you just want to spam around 50 shoes. I'm not sure if it has to be 50, but I just spam enough for me to get the challenge done. So all you have to do is just spam them, place them anywhere, place them in the sky, I don't know. Just try to get at least 50 shoes, I think, and it will work. I'm not sure if this is like legal or anything, but I haven't heard Epic say anything about it, so I'm rocking with it because I'm not trying to sit down in the hang time and play like 12 games just to have the skins, when there's this easier way to just literally finish this in a minute or two. So once you finished everything, you just want to start the creative. As I said before, you could put some in the air, you know, just to, you know, make it kind of realistic. So just go to my island, start game, and once it's started, you just want to glide down into the shoes, the basketballs, or the coins, whichever one you need. For me, I need the shoes because I said before I already did the coins and the basketballs over there. So as you can see, guys, it's showing me the challenges that is gonna be completed, and all I have to do is leave creative once I'm done. Now, as I said before, just leave creative, and then on your way back to the lobby, you'll see the reward you've earned from doing that challenge. It literally just takes 1 to 2 minutes, and I'm so glad I found out this method. So if this video helped you guys, please like, subscribe if you're new. I don't always post this type of content, but if it's like a top content like this, I'll post it. If you don't have the skin and you want to buy the skin, you could use my code, use anybody's code. Just make sure you're using a support the creator code because anyone would appreciate them to use it, but mine is code Shevi, SHEVI. So yeah, if you guys like the video, drop a like, stick around. I post content like this sometimes. Normally I post like clips and stuff like that for my team. So yeah, as always, guys, love, peace.